Hello, Sherwood staff. I'm sure you are just as thrilled to be here on this glorious PD day, the beginning of August. Not like any of us would rather be at the lake or do anything fun like that with our family. No, we would rather be here for a week before school starts to sit in the cafeteria and listen to Coach Lake, Principal Lake, discuss about professional development stuff. So today, the very first thing we're going to talk about is people first language. This is a goal I have set out for our school to accomplish this year, not only with our staff, so our educators, our paras, our administrators, but also I would like our kids to be using people first language as well. You may be asking what it is. It's the right and respectful way to address situations involving a student with a disability. Some examples of using people first language the proper way would be, instead of saying the autistic boy, you'd say the boy with autism. Okay, we need to recognize that he is a person. He is not labeled by anything other than the fact that he is a person. Okay, his disability, his autism is not what he should be labeled by. The only label any of us have in this building is we are all people. Okay? So instead of saying the autistic boy, you'd say the boy with autism. Instead of saying the crippled kid, you'd say the kid who uses leg braces. Instead of saying Down syndrome girl, you'd say the girl who is diagnosed with Down syndrome. Instead of saying the blind kid, you'd say the kid who is visually impaired. Okay, I think we're all old enough, mature enough, educated enough to understand where I'm going with this. Okay, just this simple change in words and how we speak about people, how we talk about them to other educators, how we talk to them themselves, can change how people feel about themselves. And I need everybody in this school to feel loved because we are a family. Okay, and families don't always have to get along, we don't always have to be best friends, but we will always respect each other. And this is a step towards respecting everybody in our school. Like I said before, the students need to be defined as a person and not by their disability. All of our students have hobbies, they have interests, they are successful at different things, they have feelings, and most importantly, they are people. Okay? So if we are going to label them by anything other than a person, it needs to be Jenny, the girl who loves horseback riding, not that autistic girl named Jenny. Or Michael, the boy who loves playing basketball, not the boy who has a disability that makes it hard for him to read. If we can change the way we speak about kids, our students can change the way they speak about each other. We will make mistakes. That's perfectly fine. This is new language. I've never implemented this in our school before. It wasn't here before I was the principal, so I expect us all to struggle with it. But keep trying. Okay, we will make an impact, not only on our students with disabilities, but if we start using this language, our students will start using this language, and it won't only benefit students who have disabilities. It may benefit students who are overweight. It might benefit students of a minority race or a minority religion. It might benefit students who are short in stature. Okay, this could benefit everybody in our school. If we start using this type of language when we talk, we will create a more positive and respectful environment for our students to live and learn in. This last slide that I'm going to show you, and I'm going to email this presentation to all of you guys because I know you love looking at my face and hearing me talk to you on these PD days. This link will give you some other fantastic examples and ways that we can use this person first language that we need to start implementing in our school district this year. So thank you for listening to this fantastic presentation I've put together for you. And if you have any questions, please come talk to me about it. And let's start making our school a more respectful and a more positive, better place to learn for our kids to come every day.